Let me show you how to create a wallet inside the BitPay app. To begin, click on the left top corner, and here you will see the options, the type of wallets that you can create inside the app. The simple wallet lets you create a single wallet which will be accessed by only you. The shared wallet the shared wallet requires multiple devices to authenticate a transaction, uh, it can be used among two different entities to send and receive funds without sharing the unique passwords. And you can even join a shared wallet. The fourth option is to import a wallet. If you have it on another account or another app, you can set it up on this app as well. So let's start creating a simple wallet. Click on the simple wallet, and then from here you can get to choose the key. The key is something that allows you to access the wallet, and it will be encrypted and stored in your device itself. So I'm going to show you how to create a new key that you can access the wallet with. Click on create a new key, and then choose the type of cryptocurrencies that you can access the key with. Click on create a wallet, and before you can create a wallet, this is it. And before you can create a wallet, the system will ask you to store the 12-word passphrase that you have to store down offline or on a different text file, so that you can use it to retrieve the key as well. So I'm creating the wallet. The wallet is also asking if you require an additional set of password to access the wallet. So I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3. For the demo, I'm keeping it as simple as possible, but if you're storing funds in your wallet, it's advised that you have a secure password. So the key file is mapped to the wallet. So you'll see the keys. Now I'll have to create the wallet itself with the keys available. So I've created key 5, right? So I'm going to use it to create the wallet, specifically a BTC wallet. Here you can name the wallet. Name it BTC test wallet. Here you have the option of creating a wallet under the testnet, or having just a single address that can't generate any more addresses under it. Click on create. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the wallet is getting created. And once it's created, it will display the name of the wallet here and the activity done inside the wallet.